Hey, my name's Boris. I'm in charge of power distribution and thruster systems.
And I'm Jacob, and I'm working with circuit design along with the motor controller. This is going to be from 0 to 100%, but we're going to do it gradually by turning the potentiometer slowly. So here we go. We begin to start to see something. This is forward, by the way. And we're increasing power. And there you go, 100% power right there.
Go back down slowly. There we go. Okay, I got it. Next, back off.
There we go. Alright, so we're just going to turn on the motor right now. I think it's set around 30% PWM, and we'll turn it on. So as you can see, it's starting to move some water here. And I'm going to increase the throttle, or the duty cycle really.
Okay.
And we'll begin to approach 100% duty cycle with the potentiometer here. And we're not at 100% duty cycle.
Okay.
This is mainly just a load test to see how well the driver board is able to hold up with this much current. Your load test now is going to be from 0% duty cycle to 100%. That is right there. Looks like the board held up fine. Gradually start to feed. There we go.
Yes.
Excellent. There you go. And turn it back down. We'll do a 0 to 100%, but in reverse. So we'll switch this pin here. Now we're going to go in reverse, and here we go, 0 to 100% in reverse. Looking pretty good. Alright, so right now we have the setup a little bit changed. We're going to have the meter in ampere mode, I guess, to measure the current. And it's connected in series with the motor controller output, so we can actually measure the consumption of the motor. Essentially, it's just going to be measuring the current. Alright, so we have the oscilloscope hooked up, and let's check out the PWM signal here. Let's move up to 10% duty cycle to see what we can consume. To 15% duty cycle. We're going to go up to now 20% duty cycle. And at 20% duty cycle, we are looking at nearly an amp, 900 and we'll say 60 milliamps. It's going to fluctuate a bit here. We can easily see here how this fluctuates is going to be problematic if we're to measure just the current itself to maintain motor speed. We need a direct measurement. Next, we'll move to 30% duty cycle. This is all in the forward direction. Okay. Next, we'll go up to 35% duty cycle. At 40%, we're at 2.45 amps, it looks like. It's going to jump it around again. Okay, we'll go up to 50%. Okay, and we're going to go up to 60% duty cycle. At around 60% duty cycle, we're looking at nearly 4 amps of current. At 70% duty cycle, and then up to 80% duty cycle. At 90% duty cycle. To 100% duty cycle. And 100% duty cycle, it looks like we're drawing, alright, not bad, 6.4, I don't know, 6.4.
Yeah.